Hello everyone, how to them back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove your Instagram account permanently. So you can see this is Instagram app, so you need to tap on your Instagram application, then tap here the profile icon right bottom corner of your screen. Simply tap here, and then you can see the option 3 line right top corner. Tap on that and tap again settings and privacy, and then account center, the first option. Simply tap on that, then scroll down, then here you'll see the option personal details. Simply tap on that, and here you can see the last option account ownership and control. Tap on that, and again click deactivation or deletion, and again tap here, then make sure you will mark this option delete account and deactivate it. So you must select this one, and you can see like when you delete your Instagram account, your profile photos, videos, comments, like and followers will be permanently removed. So simply tap on continue, then you have to give the reason why you're going to delete this account, and something else you can choose any of topic. So I'm just going to choose this one and continue. Once you continue, then you have to put your password here and again tap the continue button, then your account will be removed permanently. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.